Today is Sunday, October 9th, 2022. We are exactly 9 days after Hurricane Ian struck the South Carolina coast. A little south of where we are, it made landfall, came ashore near Georgetown, which is about probably 18 miles south of where we are right now. We are in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina, and we are turning this morning into Huntington Beach State Park. I want to get a look at what the beach looks like. From what I understand, a lot of the soft sand, turn the fan down, a lot of the soft sand has been washed away. Have to get out our annual park pass. $99 per year for the park pass. Well worth it. And we'll go for a little walk on the beach. Good morning. Thank you. Redoing the road. The tide is up on both sides. It is fresh water on the right, salt water on the left. So the side on the left is much more affected by the tides. All torn apart, missing. Whoops, sorry. A lot of piled up seagrass. Back in the car here for a minute. A lot of wood piled up over here on the right. Atalaya Castle down here to our right. We're not really going to go over there today. Let me just see if I can give you, kind of see it there. But, yeah. All the debris they're cleaning up. Have been redoing the bathhouse here for the past several months, maybe close to a year, it seems like at this point, but it probably hasn't really been that long. So, all right, we're gonna go for a walk out to the beach, go for a walk on the beach. So good morning and welcome along. We're going to start our walk on the watch. Outdoor walk, open goal, ready, 2, and we're off. So like yesterday's video I recorded at Broadway at the beach, I kind of recorded one lap walking around Broadway at the beach. Then I walked, I think 7 more after that. I did a total of 12.4 miles walking around Broadway at the beach yesterday. We're just going to kind of show you a little bit of this, a little bit of beach walk. Gonna go this way? Okay. Workout? No, I just started a workout. Just missed. Guess I'm not walking fast enough for the watch. See if I can cup my hand around the microphone to try to block some of the wind noise. Morning. Morning. I apologize you had to see those Steelers logos. I know it's probably not what you want. Like this before? I don't think so. It's being all chopped out. Good. So this is where it chopped part of the dunes away. Wow. Sorry about all the wind noise, but it is breezy out here. We are going to walk south towards Litchfield. seeing a lot of those types of roots, whatever that is. Legs. Cracked up horseshoe crab shell. Alright, well, I think that's about it. I've been trying to keep the phone right in front of my chest with the wind coming from my back to try to block the phone from the wind. And I think that probably was not successful. So that's about it, I think, for today from Huntington Beach State Park. Jennifer and I are going to continue our walk for a few more miles. But hopefully this past 24 minutes gives you a sense of what it's like. It's actually a nice morning, starting to warm up. It's about 60 degrees. She told me I didn't dress appropriately. I have on a bathing suit and t-shirt. Going to the beach. So now would be a great time for you to click like, click subscribe, click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos. Leave us a comment, what you liked, what you didn't like, what you'd like to see, and hopefully continue watching. We'll see you on the next one. Found a couple of these that are apparently still alive. One was partially open, and I picked him up and he closed, so I threw him back in the ocean. This one seems to be the same way. What is this? Is it a mussel? Okay, so we are back in the car for bonus footage. We walked a mile south and then turned around and walked a mile back to where we are. The wind coming back up, I would say, was probably a pretty steady 20 to 30 miles an hour. Straight north to south, walking directly into it as a headwind. Out here though, off the beach, in the parking lot, it's perfectly calm. And the waves were choppier than they normally are, so I was wondering if there was some type of disturbance in the past few days off the coast. I don't remember seeing anything, but it seems like that's possible. Blue skies, not a cloud anywhere. We are going to go to the north end parking lot. See if I can stick this above the roof line without getting too much noise. Out. back there. It looks, observation deck is closed. With all these trees, you really wouldn't have any idea that less than 100 yards away is the ocean. Welcome back. Extended bonus footage. We're going to show you where this goes out. This north parking lot out to the beach. And if you walk, I think it's a couple miles north from here, you get to the rock, like a rock jetty inlet area. How far up was it? A couple miles? And that's till we get to the rock jetty where it cuts in. That's the Murrells Inlet, where Murrells Inlet comes in, right? 2.5 miles up or so. I know we've walked that before last year. I don't know if we'll do all that today. We'll see. Morning. Morning. I'm guessing all the sand reminds me of when we get a lot of snow, because this is the sidewalk. You can see how all the sand's all piled up.
Is this concrete or is this?
Yeah, no, this is.
I just don't remember. Concrete.
Yeah, concrete. So what do they do with all this sand? Do they eventually try to get it all back up to the beach? I guess scrape it, push it back. Jennifer just asked, wonder what happened to all the sea turtles' nests. That's a good question. I'm guessing they're all lost. We are going to go left to the north. I'm going to leave him over there. Is this the designated shoe drop? Similar thing here, you can see where the dunes got cut in half. I'm sure you can hear the difference in the wind out here as soon as we stepped onto the beach. Have that steady north to south wind. So to keep the camera out of the wind, strictly for wind noise, I'm going to turn it off now, and I'll record a little bit more as we walk south. Hopefully that'll reduce the wind noise. Hopefully. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but sand, this top sand is just getting blown. I can zoom in. So we walked up a mile north on the beach from the north end parking lot and walked a mile back, got 4 miles in of walking so far today. Just exceeded the 10,000 steps, so that's pretty good. But on our way back out, we passed the nature center at Huntington Beach State Park. I wanted to show you this because it's normally a pretty cool little walking pier, and it is closed now due to damage from the hurricane. So I just want to take a quick peek at it, and then we'll be done. Haven't gone in there yet. It says open. Look at all the seagrass that's blown up on there. Wow. Salt marsh is the second most productive ecosystem on the planet. Its productivity is fueled by the recycling of nutrients, largely from Spartina alterniflora. The plant dies in the fall, forms wrack, and breaks down to release its nutrients back into the system. And it is everywhere after this hurricane. Spartina grass, also known as salt marsh cordgrass, is the base of the food chain that brings life to the salt marsh.
Yep. So 3.5 hours, yes. My niece, I also have my niece who knew to do that.
You can see, and this is common as we drive around. You can see the demarcation line, I guess, of how far the water came up at different areas. From here, Pawleys Island, Garden City, Surfside, you can see the remnants of the grass that just got pushed in with all of the water. So this bridge, I've walked out on this before. Gives you a great view from out there, but you can see how much grass is on it now. And if we go down the side, I'm going to zoom in. Let me hit the 3 and zoom in. You can see the pier is just destroyed down there from the wind and the water. So, hold on, where are we? Right here, you can see it's broken down, but out here, further, you can see the little hut. And past the hut, there's supposed to be more that connects to that little island piece of fence, I think, out there. See it right in the middle? And there, it doesn't look from here like there's anything left there. So let's see if we can just squeak around the side here for a second. That is the entrance road we drove across, and we will drive back across in a few minutes. Well, you all did great. You hung in there till the end. Please click like, click subscribe, click the bell. Thanks for watching all the extended and super extended and mega extended and ultra extended bonus footage segments. Thank you and have a great day.